In this tutorial video, I will explain how to use the TPA, Teachers Practice Area. Go to my courses, over 20 Teachers Practice Area. Click that. I will go to, after the P that has come up, I will go to the topic 28. These topics here can be used to create different modules. So if I had administration rights, I could have clicked on one of them and rename. Turn editing on. I'm on. In this first video, I will show you how to add an activity. So I go to activity. I will choose big blue button, and on this side it gives you a description or on how or what it's used for, and if I need more help I can click on more help and look when it comes up and shed some additional information. Okay. I can click on add, and then when it comes up and provides more information which is needed. So I will, in terms of my description of the classroom, which will be shown. The family. I will show more information. Show more information. I can click on show more information and put a description. But I will not do that now. Scroll down and you'll see you have different activities or descriptions that I can click on, and a box will appear, and I just hover over the question mark and it provides more information. Add it for now, so I will save and display. Voila! Contact of the family. If I wanted to create another one, here you can see. I can create links, import a link, we put a link, and this keeps me, if I click this button here, I go to the other activity, which will be schematic, but I don't want that. So I'll go back and click on Oh, come on, man. And practice area. I will add another activity. Let's say e-voting. I read on my right hand side was e-voting. Click add. and I want to create methods display, make sure I could highlight it, and if I wanted to write my description here, I'll write the description the display description, of course, which should be the name of the pool, and this will be the description of the course. Save and display. Okay. Possible possibilities to choice or multiple questions. So here, let's see what's happening. The value and save and display question. Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's see what it says. Okay, and now, alright, so I can disable it, I can set it, I can start it, and here is, I will assume you can scan and will register on your device. And that is it. Then you turn to topic 28. And you have these two here. And that's it.